When you're looking directly on this, you can really see this from a distance. I have the leash here. He's got it on. You can see how it's blinking. It kind of like casts the shadow for him. Let me turn my headlamp on. And you can see, hey, Remo, come here. Come here. See, look at him. Here it is right here. And then if you want to turn it on a slow blink, you can go slow blink, or you can just go always on. I like the fast blink, the flashlight. And you see what it does right there. And now from a distance, you would stop and slow down for that. I did one on the cat to see what he does all night. He actually just runs around at night. Hey, fatty. See, look at him. See, he's got his little collar on. I can see him from a distance. So there's one on the cat, and look, he just found a spider. 2-pack dog collar lights for walking and just all types of random stuff. I've already used these to test that they worked and put them on the dog and let him run around. I'm just going to open them up for y'all and let you see what you get here. You get them in a nice little bag here. You get 2 USB-C cables for fast charging, and then you get the 2 units right here. One would like go on a leash and one would go on the dog's collar. I actually put one on a cat and one on a dog and tested them out last night. It worked extremely well. From a distance, I could see these things easily. I highly recommend these for anybody that does any type of night walking for their dogs. But you could use them on like a kid's backpack, or just while you're running, you would put these on, and they're blue flashing lights. They look really good. And then looking right there, these are 100% waterproof. They have a USB-C charging right there. And they have 3 modes of operation. So it would wrap around the collar like that. You mash it once. Right there, you get the fast flashing. Twice, you get a slow flash. Third time is an always on, and then it's off right there. And these are very bright, and you could see them from a distance a ways when I'm like walking. I put one, like I said, I put it on a cat, let him run around, and I could see where he was at all times. Where, you know, there's a potential of getting hit by something, this would definitely help. It gives a little more visibility without kind of like being overly visible. So yeah, that's all I got today on the, you know, the blinking LED lights. Walking lights. See y'all next video.